Here we got another dinosaur here. What year is this? Who knows? Old. Battery powered. Straight up contactors everywhere. Contactor, 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 contactor. Fuse. What do we got down here? Is that another contactor? Another contact. Maybe not. There's a big girl capacitor. Oh, look at the tiny little cute chains. Cool. We have an inverted aux motor here. Wonderful. I wonder if that's loose. Oh, it is too. Look at that. Wonderful. Oh, there's a nut missing down there. See it? Alright, let's find the key switch. Maybe that. That was it. Nada. Switch on. What a dinosaur. E-brake. Quality. I love DC drive, man. Oh my god. Full power. Should we put a skylight in? Make sure everything works nicely. No bouncy bouncy. God, you think you could miss that horn button? It doesn't even work. $3,000 hours. Yeah, okay, sure. Like 30,000. Very interesting. Oh. Check that shit out. That was close.